Alright guys, I have no idea how well y'all gonna be able to see what I'm doing here, but hopefully you can see right now the hummingbird. I meticulously drew on all the little feather details we're gonna add. And another video I watched, they used a wood burner to put these feather details in. I don't remember the name of the actual YouTube video, but it's under my liked videos. It's the only one in there of hummingbird, so take a look at it if you're interested. But we're gonna see if we can't detail these feathers with the wood burner. Hopefully y'all can see it on the camera. Like I said, we're in my outdoor shop now, so I have no idea what angles are gonna work or not, but let's give it a shot. Hand's a little shaky. Seems to be working pretty well if I can hold my damn hand still. Pardon language, people, pardon language. I try and keep it clean. Now I was going to try and put a groove along the beak to show where the mouth is, but as shaky as my daggone hand is right now, I don't know if I want to attempt that or not. I got this wood burner and I really don't even use it that much. That's why when I saw that other video, that lady doing her hummingbird, and her hummingbird looks much better than mine. I'll be 100% honest there. It seemed pretty neat because not only does it work well, because when she painted it, you could still see the feathers where we're burning them in. You can see them so crystal clear underneath the paint, which you don't always get that when you carve them in or if you try and paint them in. So that's why this technique right here appealed to me. It's just, it shows up so much better when you paint it, which therefore, in my opinion, makes the paint job better. Alright, so hopefully these angles are good. I don't video out here very much because I'm out here working. I don't have time to video. I'm busy doing some real work, not fun stuff. Dang it, my hand. That's gonna have to do. It's only one side though, so I had to hold my breath for that one. I don't know why my hand's shaking so bad all of a sudden. Alright. Shoot. Folks, that was intense. More intense than it needed to be, that's for sure. That's how all these angles are working. Now we're going to stay on our time limit, so I'm going to showcase as much as I can. But at this point, y'all should be getting the gist of it. We're going to do the same thing to the wings as well. So like I said, if you go take a look at that video, it's in my liked videos. I'll give a shout out to whoever did it on the next clip I do, when I've actually looked up the name of it. But the paint job after she burned in the details. The paint job was just phenomenal. How you can see the feathers really popping underneath, and that's really why I wanted to do this. Now this is very hot, so be very careful if you're trying this at home, especially if you're younger. It's not like a small cut when you aren't careful with your fingers with a knife, and this sucker gets you, it hurts. Alright guys, well I think you're getting the general idea. Let me sit this down. Hopefully you're getting the general idea of what we're doing here. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up. We're gonna accentuate the feathers we carved here. We're gonna add those in there, and we'll be back with our next clip after that.